In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Turbotax online product. This quick guide will help you get started, whether you're using the platform for the first time or returning to file your taxes again. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Turbotax website from Intuit. Once the home page loads, take a moment to look around and locate the Sign Up option if you're new to the platform. Click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. This step is important because it allows your tax information to be stored securely and lets you access your account from different devices whenever you need it. Next, enter the required details, such as your email address and a strong password. Make sure the password is secure and unique to help protect your personal and financial information. Double-check the information you entered to avoid any issues later when logging in. After filling in your details, click Create an Intuit account. This will set up your account within the Intuit system, which connects several financial services offered by the company. Once your account is created, your online product will be activated and ready to use. You can now begin preparing and filing your taxes through Turbotax. If you ever need help during the process, support resources from Intuit are available to guide you.